How to delete payment information and credit cards from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Chrome application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then launch settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and here under passwords and autofill, you can see the option of payment methods. So select on that. Here, what you simply need to do is first of all add the payment method. So just tap on the option of add payment method over here, and as you do that, you just have to mention your card number, expiration date and all the details that is required over here. Then tap on done and you'll be able to add the card. And if you want to delete it, you just have to go back and here under the payment section, you can just tap on the card or the payment information that you want to delete, and you just have to tap on delete option and you'll be able to delete all the payment information and credit cards from Google Chrome. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.